Hey, this tramp oil is becoming a nightmare. It's costing us time and money to manage. I heard about the Smart Disk Skimmer. Can it tackle this mess? Absolutely. The Smart Disk Skimmer is specifically designed to handle heavy oil loads efficiently. With its intelligent technology and durable design, it's a game changer for coolant management. Well, how does it work exactly? It uses a disc that rotates through the coolant, attracting tramp oil. The oil is then scraped off by a set of wipers and collected for disposal. Oh, I see. What sets it apart is the integrated diverter, which differentiates between tramp oil and your coolant, ensuring only tramp oil is removed. That sounds advanced, but will it fix our tanks? Yes, it comes with two disc sizes, 12 inches for smaller tanks and 18 inches for larger ones, ensuring optimal reach and skimming capacity. Depending on your needs, you can choose a 2 or 7 RPM motor to maximize efficiency. Oh, really? The Smart Disk Skimmer is built to last. Its heavy-duty steel construction withstands the rigors of industrial use. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty. What about maintenance and durability? Maintenance is straightforward. Just keep the disc and the wipers clean for consistent performance. And it's cost-effective? Absolutely. It saves you nearly $300 compared to other disc skimmers on the market, making it the most economical choice without sacrificing performance. The Smart Disk Skimmer not only removes tramp oil, but also returns clean coolant to your sump, reducing coolant waste. Well, this looks like the solution we've been searching for. It's efficient, durable, and saves on coolant costs. Exactly. With the Smart Disk Skimmer, you can maintain your coolant's integrity, extend its lifespan, and improve machine performance. It's an investment in your shop's productivity and environmental responsibility.